how can I use PPC to increase my product's visibility on Amazon? Have a good strategy and good clear understanding of why are you starting a campaign. Most campaigns fail not because the outcome or the performance, but people don't know why they are starting them. And even worse, they're getting false hopes that they know what they're doing just because something worked well and they don't know how to replicate it. So when it comes down to this, what I would do is make sure that I am clear about, do I want to get more eyeballs to my listings? Then I'm going to have the strategy of, yes, on the short run, it's going to cost me more, but on the long run, it's going to become more profitable. If I have the strategy, I want to get more market share, then I would have no problem with spending more if I'm converting well. Now, you will have one specific threshold. Say you have total $10,000 allocated for your ad spend, your $5,000 in, you barely produce sales. That is going to give you an answer and data. Either it's very competitive, the niche, either your product is not well positioned, either it's totally irrelevant, the keywords that you're bidding on. But that would be the gist of it.